Do you want to know how you can log into your Casa Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Casa Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and search for Casa Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official login portal of Casa Payroll. The first step is to write down your username in the first box. Make sure your username matches with the associated account on Casa Payroll. After you write down your username, write down your password in the second box. Make sure to check your password by clicking on this icon. And the next step is to click Login. This way, you can easily log into your Casa Payroll account. In case you have forgotten your username, this is the link for you to retrieve back your username or change it. And in case you have forgotten your password and want to reset your password, this is the link you want to follow. I hope this video about how you can log into your Casa Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.